Hey guys, it's Linda and I'm back again with another video. I am bringing you a Target haul. I am obsessed with the dollar spot at Target, so I'm going to show you the cute little things that I got on this Target visit. So they have a lot of cute new acrylic things. They had like acrylic boxes for tissue, like acrylic tissue boxes. They had like the square kind and like the long kind. I think that kind of stuff is really cute, but look, this one really stuck out to me. This acrylic box is the coffee pod drawers for your K-cups or your Nespressos. It's 3 little slots and you just open the drawer and you put your K-cups in there. I'm not going to use that for that because I thought this was actually perfect for my makeup drawers, and I'm actually going to put like brushes or like lip pencils, eyeliners. I think it's like a really great quality container. So this acrylic box is $5. The next 2 acrylic items that I found are $1 each, and they were these acrylic milk cartons. How cute are these? I really like this little one, and I love that it has the little opening, so you can either put your beverage in here and drink it straight from here, or you can put a straw, which I just think it's so cute. And then this one is so nice, you know, and it's wide enough because you can open it this way and you can add your ice, you can add some fruit in your infused water. It's a really nice size, and then you can drink it from up here. I loved it. So just to give you guys measurements, 16 fluid ounces for this one and 12 for this one. So I know it looks like a size difference, but it's actually not very different at all. And then the next things that I have are decorative. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this really cute wreath. It's a carrot wreath. I am decorating my house for Easter, so I found this wreath and it was only $5 in the dollar spot, and I just find it to be so cute. Continuing with the Easter theme, I really thought these carrots were so lovely. They're like fabric, really nice patterns. I don't know what, I think these are like little flowers. Yeah, they're like little flowers. This one is striped, and then this one is like a plaid. And then they have the little cord and then the little greenery in the top, and then they're all tied up like this. I don't know, I just thought they were so adorable. And then next, I'm gonna take it out of the wrapping. I got these super cute white rabbits. Like, how cute. They kind of have like a distressed kind of clay look to them. I just found them to be so cute. So I got 2. These are each $1. I got the one that's sitting up or standing up, whatever you want to call it, and then the one that's in the down position. I just think they're so cute. They also had some like kind of golden bronzy ones, but white is more my vibe. I like the kind of farmhouse aesthetic when it comes to decorating my house, so I like anything that's like more white and neutral, and I thought these were so cute. Look at the ears. And then last, I got this iridescent pearl white bunny. This one's a little bigger, but how cute. She was only $3. And then I got the little matching egg to go with it. And this one's only $1. They had it in different colors, but I liked this like white pearl iridescent to go with the little bunny, but they had like more of a green iridescent, like a nice muted, like dusty rose pink kind of color. They had a lot of different ones, but like I said, white is more my vibe. But just to compare the size, this one's a lot bigger. So this one was $3. But not too bad. I love the dollar spot. They have really good, affordable decorations and little decor items for your home. So if you're looking to decorate your home on a budget, I definitely would recommend the dollar spot. at Target because they have pretty high-end looking tchotchkes, if you will. And I don't know, I'm very into the tchotchkes lately. I don't know, since buying my house, I've been very into decorating for the holidays and just making it cute. So those are just the little things that I got on this Target visit. Hope you guys enjoyed that very simple and small little dollar spot Target haul. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that you can hit that bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload new videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.